Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Roohan Memon and I study in class metric and I am a student of Paragon Academy Badin. So today my topic of presentation is literacy. So who is literate or educated person? There are four definitions of literacy. The first definition was that a person who can read, write is an educated person. The second definition of literacy was that a person who can read, write and do simple mathematical calculation is an educated person. The third definition of literacy was that a person who can read, write and do simple mathematical calculations and can operate a computer is an educated person. The fourth or the current definition is that a person who can read, write and do simple mathematical calculations and can operate a computer, make analysis, draw conclusion or results and build his own opinion, send recommendations is an educated person. So these are the only four definitions of literacy. Now I tell you what's the importance of literacy. So literacy is not only very important, but it is necessity in dealing the everyday of our life. For example, in a civilized country, if a citizen is not able to read and write, so he is called an illiterate person. And it affects people's life directly by influencing their chances of employment at the high level of income. If a person is illiterate, he or she has to face many difficulties in their life. An illiterate person is always easily exploited by other people in their society. Thank you so much, everyone.